I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving you have authority. Make sure you are signed into the Family Manager account or have explicit permission from that person. This is how PlayStation protects children. Collect the PSN email and password, the console serial number, and proof of purchase. Sony may require those for support. Once done, sign into your PlayStation account on a web browser and open Family Management, because removing restrictions through official controls preserves account integrity and avoids lockouts. Next, you use Family Management to change or remove parental limits. Sign in as the Family Manager, select the child account, and adjust age and content settings rather than deleting profiles. This keeps saves and trophies intact. Change spending and communication permissions if needed, and save changes so they sync to the console. If the Family Manager can't sign in, try recovering the email or password first, because proper account access is required to make these authoritative changes. Finally, restart the console to ensure the updated settings propagate. Check the child profile on the Ps5 and confirm restrictions are removed. If you lack Family Manager access, perform account recovery through the PSN sign-in page or contact PlayStation support with your proof of purchase and console details. This is the legitimate route to regain control. If anything fails, do not attempt circumvention. Let Sony guide a factory reset or ownership transfer so you don't risk permanent account or console locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.